Hello YouTube, welcome to an episode of Anything Garage. Today we got some updates and we got to do some routine maintenance on the daily driver. But we'll get on to the updates here first. I got almost all the loom on Project Stranger Ranger's engine. Spin around here. You can see it's all loomed up. We got to finish tape it all. Missing some loom in spots. But other than that, we got that. Then today, went over to Metal Supermarkets in South Cleveland and I picked up some material to build a new frame for Project Stranger Ranger. I'm going to spin you around, show you what we got. Got two 20-foot sticks of 2 by 6 by 3/16 material to build a whole new frame. And we'll start tearing the frame on Project Stranger Ranger down so we can start using that as a template on fabricating that frame. We'll shoot a whole video of everything. Keep tuned. But today you got my beautiful daily driver F-150 over here. We got to do an oil change and spark plugs. So let me get the camera repositioned and get everything ready and we'll get filming that. Alrighty, we're going to start off by getting it pulled up on some car ramps here and get the oil drained and get fresh oil put in. Always start off, pull the dipstick, pull the drain plug, pull the fill plug so it'll drain faster. Oil filter's on a little too tight to take it off by hand. So we got a little wrench here, try to break her loose. Sorted wrenches, I can't remember exactly what size it is for the drain pan. Before you do put your new filter on, you want to check your old filter and make sure that the gasket didn't stick on the mounting surface, because if you try to put two gaskets on there, it'll blow it out and then you'll have oil leaks and you'll pump your motor dry and blow her up. Just dip your finger in the oil, smear it around on the gasket. This one goes in sideways, so we cannot pre-fill the filter. You just put the filter on hand tight. We got the new filter installed, and the oil's draining. While we're waiting for that drain, clean our hands up. A little aerosol hand cleaner here. Wouldn't recommend it. We're going to go underneath, put the drain plug back in. Now we proceed to dump 7.5 quarts in. Running Castrol Edge, full synthetic 5W20. That's what the engine calls for. Put the dipstick in and we'll check the oil. It should be over full because we haven't run it yet. Now we'll start her up, crawl under there and check the filter, make sure nothing's leaking. Next we'll start on the plugs. Alrighty, I tried to get you all repositioned so you can kind of see what I'm doing here. Need a little screwdriver and an 8mm. This is a coil on plug setup. I'm gonna pop the plug off and pull the coil to get to the plug. Give her a little wiggle, she could come right out. Look down in there, that's a small, I like to use a spark plug socket. It's got the rubber in it. I have the extension taped to it to where I can reach in there, and my ratchet. And there's the old plugs. Quite wore out. Don't know if you can see that there. It's definitely due for plugs. We got genuine Motorcraft spark plugs, SP548 CYFS 12F1 platinums. You never gap platinums, you can mess the electrode up. But I checked down in the hole. The washer and everything came out with the plug. Don't know if you can see the difference here, but the difference in gap. This one's here is quite worn out. This one here is perfect. Make sure you don't over tighten the plug, strip the hole, or crack the plug. There we go, we got it retaped on there. Now it's this reverse. Put the coil back on. Put a tiny little skirt, dielectric grease down in there. And don't over tighten the coil. And there's cylinder 1 done. And we'll just repeat the same process. Alrighty, YouTube, we got all the plugs changed. Let's fire her up, see how she sounds. It's all done, running good. Now that we changed the oil, come in here and reset the oil light. Hit setup. Hold, hit setup twice till it goes to oil life. Hit reset. New 100% oil life. There you go, YouTube. That's how you do an oil change and plugs. Have a good day.